Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, Jessica here. Welcome to my channel, where I take you around the world to explore the most beautiful and interesting places. Today, I have a special treat in store for you. I'm coming to you live from Praia do Marin in Algarve, Portugal. This beach is simply magnificent. Golden sand, crystal clear waters, and beautiful cliffs that cascade down to the shore. What more could you ask for? The weather here is spectacular, so I'm taking a slow walk along the beach. I'm taking in all the sights of this breathtaking place. And the scenery only gets more beautiful as the sun begins to set. The colors painted on the sky are simply incredible. As I reach the end of my walk, I turn around and admire the beauty of this special beach. I pause to take it all in and reflect on everything I've seen. I love to share this experience with you, so if you enjoy it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more. I hope to bring you more amazing places soon so you can explore the world with me. Thanks for watching, and until next time.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.